Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news to talk about. In September, Apple is expected to unveil its highly anticipated iPhone 15 lineup. Just like last year, it's rumored that we will see 4 models: the base iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Max, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. However, there is a possibility that the Pro Max model might be called the iPhone 15 Ultra, but we will have to wait until 2024 to know for sure. But for now, let's dive into some of the juicy details for the iPhone 15. This year could bring some interesting changes for Apple's best-selling devices. Rumors are circulating that Apple might finally make the switch from the Lightning port to USB-C. That would be a significant shift and could open up new possibilities for charging and connectivity options. Another exciting rumor suggests that the dynamic island feature, which was previously exclusive to the Pro models in 2022, might make its way to the non-Pro iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Max. This would be a great addition and bring some of those premium features to a wider range of users. There are also rumors that iPhone 15 Pro's camera bump could be even bigger than iPhone 14 Pro. There are also exciting rumors about new features like the dynamic island interactive notch replacement, which could hit all 4 iPhone 15 models, and the possibility of an action button that will let users carry out various functions. One less exciting rumor is that the iPhone 15 may replace physical buttons with haptic touch sensors, which could make it difficult to restart the phone if the software freezes and might make using a case more problematic. As for the display, there are rumors that Apple is working on brightness of up to 2500 nits, which would be a big improvement from the 14 Pro's current max of 2000. And there is even talk of an iPhone 15 Ultra made of titanium, though it's not clear if this would be a significant improvement over the current materials. In terms of pricing and release date, we haven't heard anything official yet, but we are guessing Apple tends to launch new iPhones in the first couple of weeks of September. So friends, that wraps up today's news on the iPhone 15 lineup. It's shaping up to be an exciting year for the iPhone lovers, with potential changes in port options, feature availability, and button designs. But as always, take these rumors with a grain of salt until Apple makes the official announcement. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel Infinity Infopedia for more updates, and let me know in the comments what you are most excited about the iPhone 15. Thank you for watching.